So this lesson is about triple steps, which everybody needs to continue to practice and work on all the time, because triple steps, they're hard, especially at faster tempos, and we just skip over them so much. We don't give them the attention that they need.
So a triple step in its basic form is going to be 3 steps over 2 beats of music. So when we do this, I'll start with my left and Evita will start with her right, and we will take 1, 2, 3 steps. As we do this rhythmically speaking, we're going to count this as a 1 and 2, and then we'll do the other side going 3 and 4. So the side-to-side motion, again, is 3 steps over 2 beats of music.
So if you have music playing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we could do a 1, a 2, triple step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah. We'll show that facing the other way, so when you're at home, you can do this with us. In fact, we'd recommend that you stand up with us now and do this. Again, leaders will start with our right, and followers will start with their left, and we will go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Or triple step, triple step, triple step, and triple step.
You'll notice that the first step of our triple step is a bit longer than the other 2. That's because in the music, we want the step to swing instead of be straight, like a cha-cha rhythm. So just to make sure we all know what we're talking about, have you ever heard of cha-cha or cha-cha dancing, like where you go 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. Those cha-cha-cha, those triple steps are straight. In swing music, we need to have the first step of your triple step be longer so it sounds like this. Ba-ba-da, ba-ba-da. Now at the moment, we just want to focus in on this triple step. So do it again with us, follows with your right and leaders with the left, and we want you to push a little bit extra, with extra oomph on this first step so that you get the feeling of whoa, then land. It's a metaphor I like to think of as a little bouncy ball, like those little rubber bouncy balls. And if you drop it on the floor, the first impact is the longest or the most powerful. And then it goes boing, 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 boing. You know what I'm saying? I hope.
Sure.
I'm going to send each one of you a bouncy ball. We're going to try it out. But so I'm going now to my left and Michael's going to his right. And again, the first push of this triple step has a push and down, yeah? You're still taking 3 complete steps, 1, 2, 3, but it's going to have this buoyancy to it, which makes it fall into that rhythm.
Sometimes musically we use the example of jingle bells. So jingle bells is what we would consider a straight rhythm. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. It's why we get paid to teach dance, not sing. But the other song that we can use to emphasize the idea of this triple step is Jingle Bell Rock. So it's jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. So Jingle Bell Rock swings, while our traditional jingle bells is more of a straight idea. So when we do our triple steps, if we do a jingle bells as flat, it's jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle. But when we swing it, we have jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
Jingle bell, do, 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 do. Oh, that's fun. I like that one.
So come November,
This would make
December.
a great holiday present for somebody.
Wow. So that's what we're going to look at with our triple steps, is that idea of swinging them. Now, with respect to our bounce and posture, we think of the letter W. What that means is that we think up and up, up and up. So our triple steps are still pushing up, which is very similar to what we were talking about with all of our other steps prior to this, of the bounce happening, but up, up.
This is to prevent you from doing the quasimoto.
Oh.
The Quasimoto is a triple step that basically pours energy down into the floor and drags the poor residual rhythm. You see how it kind of suffocates the step. So your legs need to power you up, kind of like a happy feeling or a bouncy feeling, so that there is space to complete your triple step.
Yeah. One of the other exercises that we think you should do at home without music is really find a space where you can hear what your footwork sounds like. And you should hear something that sounds which is different than something that doesn't have that clear rhythm.
So let's do this. Michael's going to give us a triple step, 2 of them, and then you at home, you're going to do your triple steps with me, sort of like a call-in response. And we're going to practice that for a little bit so that you can hear what your triple steps sound like at home and check that you are with us. So Michael goes first. We go, ready. Michael goes. Ready? Here we go.
Well done.
Good job.
Yeah?
High five.
Bam. So that's a way for you guys to check yourselves as to whether or not your rhythm is clean and clear without the addition of music.
Now let us try with some music, because now we put to the test, can we fit it in to the music or to the rhythm we hear? So there's the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. And we try.
Now continuously. And as you get comfortable standing on the spot with it, start to look around.
Nice job. Nice job. So that takes a lot of energy because you have to keep pushing and you'll feel that you have to be responsible for your bounce. The bounce serves you and actually makes doing triple steps easier at faster tempos. If you kept the body completely still and quiet and tried to do it all by yourself underneath your body, it's a lot more work in the legs, and it's also more characteristic, I think, of boogie-woogie dancers. But with Lindy Hop and with swing, we allow that bounce to travel all the way through our body, so there's a lighter feeling.
Yeah. We also encourage you at home to practice to different tempos so that you get comfortable moving quickly, but also maintain your control and balance while the tempos come down to a slower beat.
Cool.